Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you see hidden accounts into your Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application and then tap to this little yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. Now after going into there, you will get to see this option of Square. Tap to there and tap to this profile icon into the bottom right side. And after tapping in there, you will get to see this gear option into the top right side directly. Tap to that option, and after tapping into gear, you will get to see this option of hidden accounts at very first. Tap to hidden accounts and you can see all of your hidden accounts if you have any. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.